What's up, guys? This is Jeff from Sorta Healthy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about online personal training again. Yes, this is part 2 of a who knows how long at this point online or virtual personal training session video series. This video will be useful for personal trainers who are looking to add online training to their skill set. And if you're not a trainer, maybe you're someone who's considering trying out online personal training as a client, this is going to be useful to you as well, because you'll be able to see what your online personal trainer should be doing with you in a session or a series of sessions. And honestly, guys, if you're a standard personal trainer, or maybe you're someone who's benefited from in-person personal training sessions, give online training a try. Seriously, guys, this disease could be here for a while, and we need to adapt right now. And getting less healthy and not working out is an adaptation that I am not willing to consider. So then, in further detail, let's get into what you should be doing to train your personal training clients online. In my last video discussing online personal training, we went over how I personally train my clients online and how you transition an in-person client to an online client. So if you haven't watched that video yet, go do it. I'm going to pop a link somewhere up here and go check that one out and come back and watch this one after. Or stay here and watch this one first. It doesn't matter. Watch them both. They're both going to be good. But today my main objective is to show you how I program for my online clients. And yes, I program all of my online clients' workouts ahead of time, and you should too. So first and foremost, I use a workout chart for all of my programming, which you're going to see on the screen right now. I'm going to be going over how I use this chart and how you can use this chart for yourself. And yes, you too can use my workout chart for free. It's down in the video description, so download it. You're welcome. For Alyssa's workout chart, we've primarily been focusing on core and lower body strength and conditioning. She wants to lose weight, get a better butt, and feel healthier. Sound familiar? She's 28 and has no physical limitations, so nothing to worry about there. Pretty much all she has at home are some light dumbbells and some bands. And before we move on to my specific programming with this client in sessions over time, let me just tell you that when you're working with people at home or online, be prepared for them not to have all that much equipment. This means you're going to need to be creative, and it makes your game planning ahead of time even more important. So yeah, let's specifically get into how I program for a client online and how I use this specific workout chart. Okay guys, now I'm showing you the workout chart that I use for all of my online personal training sessions. Typically I'll just print a bunch of these things off and then I'm going to write everything in with pencil, but you'd never be able to read my handwriting. So because of that, I have actually just typed in some recent workouts with my client Alyssa. You can see some basic information on here. This was session number 10, this was session number 11. She's currently in a phase working on more muscular endurance than anything else. This session was on the 13th. This session was on the 20th. Her warm-up for right now is pretty basic. There's really nothing too crazy going on. It's just basic movement prep, getting her ready for the workout, which is mostly lower body focused, but you can see we've kind of been mixing in some other things too. And you can see a little bit of progression here too. So, and this is something of course you should be doing whether you're working in person or online with a client. I have dumbbells, DB stands for dumbbells, 2 15-pound dumbbells, that's why it's 15 by, and I'm doing 15 repetitions for a total of 3 sets. On the next workout, which is exactly a week later, I'm using the same 15-pound dumbbells, 2 of them, and we're going to do 16 reps, and we've done a total of 3 sets as well. And if we go down to lunges, you see pretty much the same progression. Walking lunges, the W is for walking, and I have 2 15-pound dumbbells, 12 repetitions, 3 sets. On the 20th, we did reverse lunges, same dumbbells, 2 15-pounders, 13 repetitions per leg, and a total of 3 sets. So I try to phase my clients every 8 weeks. So for right now, I think she's kind of somewhere towards the beginning of her endurance phase, and I think she still has like 5 or so weeks to go, and then she'll be working more on strength. In which case, her dumbbells will get a little bit heavier, and she's going to be doing less repetitions for each set. It's pretty much essential to phase your clients so they don't plateau or get bored, but you should have a system in place for how you do that, and it should be highly dependent on that client's goals. But yeah, it's very easy to progressively make a workout or an exercise more challenging over time when you have a chart like this one. So there you have it, part 2 of how to train your personal training clients online. Honestly, guys, I can make a ton of these different videos, and I probably will. But if you're a trainer or a health professional, is there anything that you specifically feel like you need help with right now? If so, leave a comment down below and maybe we'll get to that video next. Either way, don't forget to like and subscribe because much more similar content is on the way very soon.